Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are the pieces of paper that I cut out in the video before while I was reviewing the We Are Memory Keepers mini guillotine. And what I want to show you now is a little tutorial how I make some tags with paper clips. Now I saw this idea on a YouTube video and I will try and link the video down below. I've done it slightly different from the way she did, but I still think it's a cute idea. These are some of the ones that I've been experimenting with. These were some of the first ones I did. And what it is, it's just a tag, double layered, but with a paper clip tucked into the hole, so that you can use it also as a kind of bookmark because it clips on. So these are some of the ones that I've already done, and I just thought I would share my process in doing that. So the reason these are this size and kind of the colors they are as well is because I use these, it's cartolina, it's kind of like a very lightweight kind of cardboard, and they come in these kind of packs. And it doesn't say, I think it's about 2 inches by 2 inches. There they are, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So I use these, and the idea is to not waste anything, so I just cut them straight down the middle. So if you have a trimmer or cutter, you can just cut them down the middle. If not, just with a pair of scissors, cutting them down the middle, so you've got 2 pieces like that. Now, I'm going to have this on the outside. So I'm going to put these together like this to start. Let's see if that one works a bit better. I think that looks nice. And I just hold them together to do the trimming. Now I have the corner chomper, so I like to use this. I'm going to use this for the two top edges, the wide one. And you could use a rounder, corner rounder, or just cut them with scissors. It doesn't have to, you don't have to have this. And that one. And that one. And now I'm going to hold them steady and just put a hole punch in them. About there is good. There we go. Now, before I glue them together, what I like to do is decorate them before I do. And these you could decorate any way you want. So I will start by putting a hole reinforcement on the outside of the circle, the hole. I'll line that up. And from one of the die kits that I got here, which has all sorts of pretty things in, and I think this kind of goes with this paper as well, which is where I got this paper from. And I bought these in lapis lazuli. I think they're still available. So I thought one of these might look nice. I think I'll go with that one. Put those out of the way. So I will stick this on. Glue. I'm not sure if you can hear the dogs in the background. All of my dogs have started barking because they've been picking lettuce in the fields down below us, and now the big trucks full of lettuces are driving away past our house. So that's setting the dogs off. the birds and everything. All right, so that's that. It's quite cute. Now I don't have distress ink. That's something I'm going to have to buy. But when I was in Santiago, I got this because it was on sale. It was very cheap. She said it's not very good quality. But I bought it, and I found that with a stiff paintbrush, and if I just dab it in the dark brown and just kind of take it along the edges, it kind of gives me the distressed ink. Now, I could also do that to the back of this side as well if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that right now. I can always do that later. Now, the kind of tricky bit, which I had to practice a couple times, is how you put the paper clip in before you stick the two pieces together. And what you want to do is you want the bit that's going to be on the outside facing you, and the part of the paper clip that sticks out, the outside bit, and you just stick that into the hole. So coming from the back of your paper to the front, to the side that's, well, it's going to be a back, and then swivel that around like that, and push it the rest of the way in like that. So there you've got the bigger part of the clip on the, what will be the outside of the tag, and on the inside of the tag you have a little piece. Now this, the paper that I used for these is a bit stiffer than this paper, so you kind of feel the paper clip a bit more. So we've got that, and we glue these two together. Just put that over there, like that. Line up the hole and all your edges. There we go. Again, you can decorate it any way you want. And I think to finish it off, I have a little bit of ribbon. I'll see if we can put a bit of ribbon tied to it. See how that looks. I don't know if this ribbon's going to be too fat. Through. Make sure you got that even, and just read it like that. There we go. I think it might be better if I tied a bit of thread around it or a bit of glue to stick it, but there we go. So I think that's quite cute, and it was easy to do. And you can do them any sizes you want. And I said it works as a paper clip, as a bookmark. You could use it as a bookmark or as a tag. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial on how to make a paperclip tag, and we will see you soon. Ciao!